dear participants, for the beginning, allow me to be a proud and happy Romanian in Brussels. 17 years ago, when I was arriving here in Brussels to work first time, European Union was really a dream for Romania. And now I'm really proud and happy. We have really 7 years of responsibilities in the European Union, and Romania understands clear to take this responsibility to the next level now. We are very proud to have a member of the European Parliament who are in the strong committee in the European Parliament, who have initiatives, who lead very powerful reports. I'm very proud to see that the Romanians are in the in the European administration now, European Commission, Council, Parliament, and this is a very important step for Romania, where I'm really happy and proud. But I'm also proud and happy that the Romanians understand the reality to be here in Brussels, and not only with the institutions, the reality to be also with the civil society and also with the industry. And this is an event what I really want to highlight, an event where the Romanian energy industry understand to be here, to be in the heart of decision process of the European Union. And again, congratulations for the Romanian Energy Center for these initiatives. I remember the early discussion, Mr. Păun, I suppose was already 2004, 2005, to do a center of Romanian energy, and now what was a really dream 10 years ago, it's a reality. And what is also very good that it was not only the first day last year of the Romanian Energy in Brussels, that sustainability, the second edition, and I'm sure will be the next edition next year, and another other 20 eventually. Of course, the discussion of today will be about Russia, Ukraine, about the energy package 2030, about the security of energy supplier, and why not about the next mandate of the European Commission, maybe also in the energy field. And this is very important, that the message is here, and why again I'm very proud and happy that Romania can launch this kind of debates. They can launch the debates here where the people are very hungry about this kind of information. I'm very happy that the Romanian government is here to present very open the initiative. I'm very happy that the European Commission is explaining the strategy to the region, the strategy with Romania to build something very, very strong for the future. And let's be very clear between us, energy policy is more than a sectorial policy. We remember the start of the European Union with the energy policy, and apparently again the energy will be in the lead of the big change what will happen in the European Union.